friends, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Now as you know that the syllabus is bifurcated and you will have two semesters, term 1 and term 2, and term 1 will be online and of MCQ pattern for 40 marks. So here now I am making videos of MCQs questions of those chapters that are in SEM 1 and also that I have completed its explanation in my channel. To solve MCQs, it is utmost important to get thorough with the concept and each and every point of the chapter, as they can be tricky ones. So first you need to solve the whole exercise, then you will find MCQs easy to solve. In the I link above, I have shared the video of linear inequation where you will get the detailed explanation of the topic. So go through that video first. Okay, let us start with the today's topic, MCQs of linear inequations. The first one here is identify the correct solution set of the following number line. Now you can see this number line here, you have the complete dots here. It is not an empty dot. It's from -4 to 5 and -4 and 5 is also involved in it. So it should be x, value of x should be greater than equal to -4 and less than equal to -5. So this is the option, this is the correct option, that is x is belonging to integers, that is z, and it is between x is between -4 and -5 when it is also equal to -4 and 5. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to fill this circle with your black pencil this way. So this is the pattern to solve MCQs. Okay, next question here is which one is not the solution set of the replacement set given below. Now this is the set given below. Now which one out of these is not the solution set of this replacement set here? So you can see here -1, 0, 5, 8 and 9, all the numbers are here, all the terms are here. Now here in this case it is -1, 0, 1 and 2 is not included in this replacement set. 5 is the subset of this. 6, 7, 8 is also the subset of this. So this is the correct option. So you have to tick it like this. Okay. Question 3 here is find the range of the values of x which satisfy the following inequation. So this is the given inequation, you have to solve it. Now you can see there are two inequality signs, so solve as we have done in the exercise. So this will be -1 by 5, take the LCM on the other side, 3x plus 10 the whole by 10. Now cross multiply it, so this will be -10 less than or equal to, and 5 3s is 15x and plus 50, -50 will go this side, so it is -60 less than or equal to 15x. -60 upon 15 is -4 less than or equal to x. That is first solution. Second part, so you have to take the second part of the equation. This is the second part. Again take the LCM here, plus 10 by 10 equal to 2 by 5. Cross multiply, so this will be 15x plus 50 less than equal to 20. So this will be 15x equal less than -30. Therefore x will be equal to -30 by 15 is -2. So as the set belongs to R, it is given in the question here, this is belongs to R. So x belongs to R and combine these two results, you will get this result. So it is x value is greater than equal to -4 and less than -2. So which is the correct option? Greater than equal to -4 and less than -2. So this is the correct option. Right. Question 4 here is x belongs to -3, -1, 0, 1, 3, 5. So then the solution set of the inequation this is. So you have to solve this one now. Now this will be 3x, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, therefore x will be less than 10 by 3. So x will be less than 3 whole 1 by 3. Now x is less than 3 whole 1 by 3 and it is from this set you have to write the values. So 3 whole 1 by 3 will be somewhere here, that point. So the values are x is less than this value, so -3, -1, 0, 1, 3. That is the solution set. So option 2 is the correct option. Okay. Question 5 here is x belongs to w, then the solution set of the given inequation. So solve this equation. So this will be 3x minus x and 8 minus 11. 2x will be greater than equal to, this will be minus 3, and x will be greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2, so this will be x is greater than equal to this value. So that means x is greater than equal to minus 1, 1 by 2. Okay. So the values from here, it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3, all the positive values, as x is greater than minus 1. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is the solution set. Now question 6 here is, if x belongs to R, real number, then the solution set of this equation is, so this will be 6 minus 6x plus 12. Okay. Now bring the 12 on this side, so it will be 6 minus 12 is minus 6 less than equal to minus 6x. So this is minus 6 upon minus 6. You are dividing by negative number, so you have to change the sign and greater than equal to x now. So this will be minus 1 is greater than equal to x. That is the first part. In this side, this is minus 6x plus 12 minus 6x plus 12 is less than 12. So minus 6x, this will be 12 minus 12 is 0. So x will be equal to 0 by 6. So not equal to, x will be greater than 0 by minus 6. Now sign has changed here. So x will be greater than 0. So combine these two results now. You will have 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. So that is the R. X belongs to R. So the correct option here is first one. X belongs to R, 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. So this is the pattern to solve your MCQs. Very tough questions may not be asked, but they can be tricky. As in this case, find positive integers which are such that if 6 is subtracted from 5 times the integer, so let the integer be x here, 5 times the integer is 5x and 6 is subtracted from it, so 5x minus 6, then the resulting number cannot be greater than 4 times the integer. So then the resulting integer cannot be greater than, so if it is not greater than, it may be less than or equal to 4x. Okay, now solve this equation. You get the value of x as less than or equal to 6. So the solution will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the correct option. Question 8 here, this is the solution. Find the solution of this one. So solve this equation here, take the LCM. Now in the denominator it is 4, 4 can be cancelled. So this will be 13x greater than equal to 39. Therefore x will be greater than equal to 3. So x is greater than equal to 3. So this is the correct option. Right. Question 9 here is, x belongs to integer, then the solution set of the inequation this is. So here are two inequality signs. So solve as we have done earlier. Combine these two results. So this will be minus 1, 1 by 3 less than x less than or equal to 2. So x value is between minus 1 and 2 is also included, and this is minus 1 by 3, so it is more than minus 1, so minus 1 is also included here. So this is the correct value. That means, and x is belongs to integer here, not R. Okay, so the value here is minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So first is the correct option. Question 10. Choose the correct solution set of the following number line. Now you can see this number line here. Here for minus 4 it is completely darkened, and for minus 2 it is empty circle here. So that means minus 2 is not included, but minus 4 is included. That means equal to sign should be for 4. Okay. So you can see here these two terms are for 4 here, and these two terms are 5. So they are eliminated. Now you have to see for third and fourth option only. So this is minus 4, equal to sign is for minus 4. So this is the correct option. In some cases you have to just see it like this, no need to solve it. Question 11 here is, this is the equation for A and this is the equation for B. Here you have to find A intersection B. Okay, solve for A, take 2 inside and bring the like terms together. Therefore value of x will be here minus 1. Since minus x is less than 1, so x will be greater than minus 1. And in this case here, x is less than 11 by 3, that is x is less than 3 whole 2 by 3. So the value of x is between minus 1 and 3 2 by 3. So the set of A will be here 0 1 2 3, as x is greater than minus 1, so it is 0 1 2 3, and x is here less than 3 2 by 3, so its value will be minus 1 0 1 2 3 up to 3, as the set is of integer here, it is I. Okay, so now you have to find the intersection. The common points between A and B are 0 1 2 3. You can see here 0 1 2 3. So 0 1 2 3 is the correct option. So this is the second option is the correct one. And question 12 here is, x belongs to W, whole number, find the solution of this equation here. So solve this equation by taking the LCM and you get the value of minus x is greater than 10, so x will be less than minus 10. So x is less than minus 10 is the correct option, that is the first one. Okay, so now this is the pattern to solve the MCQs. Hope you must have understood it. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.